Welcome back to Machine Era, where industrial beasts tackle the toughest jobs on Earth. From ripping out massive roots to slicing logs and shredding monster trunks, these machines showcase brute power and razor-sharp precision. Before we dive in, hit that like button to power up the channel and keep the gears turning.
Don't mess with the storm. When the wind howls and the trees begin to fall, get away. Fast. This isn't a time for curiosity. It's a time for survival.
And the irony, the horseshoe.
Why is this thing falling down between you?
I'm recording it.
There it goes! There it goes! Down! And we still have electricity.
And it's
You can tell right away, this isn't a pro. One wrong move, and it's not just the tree that falls. This is destruction, not skill.
Thanks, man. Крас! Чётко!
You don't mess with a stump like this. But with this machine, it'll drag that stump like it owes it something. Timberjack 1710D, not just a forwarder. It clears the land, reshapes the soil, and prepares the battlefield, so the next generation of trees can rise. Brack T45 moves like a multi-armed beast. It rips, claws, and shreds the soil, not to destroy, but to awaken it, so new life can rise from the chaos. Taking down a tree this massive isn't for amateurs. One wrong move, and it could cost everything. But these are professionals. They make the impossible look effortless.
I do things with the big trees. So, when I... Hell yeah. We got, so just about 9 foot 10 inch. Wow. I'm happy that turned out well. Look how much hold in. I thought it was gonna be way more work. Laid out just perfectly.
Steep descent, heavy load, one mistake, and it's over. But behind the wheel is a seasoned pro. He doesn't fight the hill, he commands it. No rush, no waste, just clean, perfect lines. Flex 14 doesn't just process wood, it respects it, turning raw logs into precision pieces, effortlessly. These are felled and hauled from the forest, the next phase begins, slicing each log with precision. Every cut isn't just preparation, it's transformation, turning raw nature into material ready to serve a greater purpose. Is a test, every climb a challenge. But this truck doesn't back down. It digs in, pushes harder, and earns every inch with raw power. Evo Lara. Snow, ice, bitter cold. It doesn't flinch, it doesn't stop. While others wait for better weather, Evo Lara keeps grinding, relentless, fearless, unstoppable. Every cut matters. Every move counts. With old trees, there's no room for mistakes. One wrong swing, and the forest turns deadly. This is not just cutting wood. This is reading the tree, feeling the tension, and striking with precision. This is no small task. Driving a fully loaded logging truck across a rushing stream is pure risk. There's no room for error. One slip, and it's all over. This is where nerves of steel meet the power of the machine. Every corner, every slope. This logging truck demands absolute caution. This isn't just driving, it's skill, instinct, and control under pressure. One mistake, and gravity takes over. Camox G275 doesn't break a sweat. Steep climbs, deep mud, twisted trails, it handles them all like a walk in the park. Strength, balance, and pure dominance. This is forestry's true workhorse.
spring coming up, you know.
It's a small, curved tree. But don't be fooled. To cut it right, you need precision, planning, and finesse. This isn't brute force. It's craftsmanship in the forest.
Right like that. This is kind of a guess. David, what's wrong?
LKT-81 is no lightweight. Don't let the size fool you. It drags logs 3 times its weight without breaking a sweat. Calm, steady, unstoppable. This is strength in its purest form.
Your thoughts in the comments below if you have any suggestions on how we can improve our content. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Machine Era channel so you won't miss the next video.